Oh, well, 4 60-pound bags of concrete later. That's filled. Still tiny bit left in the mud box, and that is filled. So right now, I take the 4-foot level and basically make sure that everything's good and plumb and check on it. But if you can't tell, I have different boards doing different things. That one's screwed in place. That one's screwed in place. And these two, I believe, are screwed in place as well. I think this one isn't. I don't know if I need to move this one, but might need some adjustments. It's pretty level, but not level enough. Let's see how it looks this way. That looks good. Let's see, what do we got? Pretty close. A little bit out of level. And pretty close. Yeah, minor adjustments. These bad boys are pretty much ready to go. So, chicken house, so much far from being done, but at least I got a lot done. I hope.